Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a compact yet powerful device that's perfect for enhancing your driving experience, the Garmin Dash Cam 46. We've found this product online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. The Garmin Dash Cam 46 is a discrete dash camera designed to capture your journeys in stunning 1080p HD quality. With a wide 140-degree field of view, this camera ensures that you're not just recording the road ahead but also the surroundings, providing you with comprehensive footage of your travels. It's small enough to fit seamlessly into your car's interior without obstructing your view. One of the standout features of the Dash Cam 46 is its automatic incident detection system. This means that in the event of a collision or a sudden stop, the camera automatically records and saves video footage of the incident, giving you peace of mind while driving. However, you'll need an 8GB micro SD card, class 10 or faster, to store your videos, which isn't included with the camera. The Dash Cam 46 also offers a unique auto-sync feature, allowing you to control and playback footage from up to 4 cameras using the Garmin Drive app. This is particularly useful for families or businesses with multiple vehicles, ensuring you can manage all recordings from a single app interface. Voice control is another fantastic feature of this device. Available in multiple languages, including English, Spanish, and German, you can easily save videos or photos, start and stop audio recordings, or even initiate the travel app's video capture feature, all hands-free. This aspect makes it incredibly user-friendly and safe, as it allows you to keep your focus on the road. For those concerned about safety, the Dash Cam 46 includes driver alerts for forward collisions and lane departures, helping to enhance your awareness on the road. It also provides alerts for red light and speed cameras, although availability may vary by location, so it's wise to stay updated on local regulations. This dash cam is suitable for a wide range of users, from everyday drivers looking to add an extra layer of security to their commutes, to rideshare drivers who want to ensure passenger safety and protect themselves against false claims. It's also a great option for parents wanting to keep an eye on young drivers. In practical use, you can install the Garmin Dash